Missing areas in a 3D scan can result from shiny or reflective surfaces, or just areas that the scanner can't get line of sight to. A good example would be on this jet ski, the underside of the lip of the ski. Artec Studio has some great hole filling tools that will use simple algorithms to do as tight of a fit as they can. There are going to be some other areas where that's not quite what you need. Take, for example, this area where I've got missing data between the main body and the handlebars. Closing those holes results in a floating handlebar that's completely detached from the rest of the body. I'm going to use the bridges function in Artec Studio, which is found inside of the hole filling tool. This is going to allow me to add a few partial bits of geometry to connect the two distinct bodies. Now, when I close the hole, it creates a bit of material that connects the handlebar in so that it's part of the main body. I can use this to get to a watertight version of this mesh file that I could maybe 3D print or use for other purposes. Another place I might use bridges is when I can't capture all the way through a hole in a part. Normal hole filling would cap off both of these openings separately, which makes it look like somebody jammed bubblegum inside the hole. I don't want that, so I'm going to add some bridges to the model before closing off the now smaller holes.